Clarity is only one part of communication. Timing is other. At this level, creation is no longer rushed, it moves in rhythm. There are moments when expression opens movement, and there are moments when holding steady creates strength. You may already feel that what you asked for is present, not fully visible yet, but alive. Now, time becomes the container. There is no need to request more. What you set in motion is already unfolding. Your job now is simple: to recognize change as it happens and allow one way of living to gently shift into another. Today is about sensing readiness and trusting the intelligence of timing. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Let your breath soften. Take one slow inhale through your nose and a long exhale through the mouth. Let your body ease into stillness. Feel the support beneath you holding your weight. Allow your breath to remain natural. Now, bring to mind the version of you who already lives the life you have requested, the life you feel drawn toward. Hold it lightly in your awareness. Notice how your body responds. Simply observe. Now allow the idea of readiness to form. Readiness that feels grounded, that feels patient. Readiness that carries certainty without tension. Let your body recognize this quality. Silently affirm, I trust unfolding to reveal the next step. I am ready to see it. Let these words settle into your body. We will rest here for a minute. When you feel ready, take one steady breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out through your mouth. Open your eyes and move through the day, allowing unfolding to happen naturally. Welcome back.